Okay, so let's test the audio capability of the onboard microphone of the Insta360 Go3, since you cannot attach an external microphone. Let's see how good it is. Right now the audio testing 1 2 3. There's a lots of cars out here, so it's very noisy. So let's see if the camera onboard mic can pick up the audio of what I'm talking right now. Normally about an arm's length away from me. So let's see. Testing 1 2 3. 1 2 3. What do you think of the audio? Comment below and let me know if you think it's good enough for vlogging, since you can't attach an external microphone on the camera